In this English lesson, I wanted to help you learn the phrase sign up. When you sign up for something, it means that you want to do it, and the person organizing it is asking for people to write their names down on a piece of paper, or maybe to send their name in via the computer, maybe an email or an online form. At school, sometimes there are sports at lunchtime, and students and teachers can play if they want to, but you need to sign up. The day before or the week before they start playing basketball or volleyball or whatever the sport is, they usually have a sign-up sheet, and you can sign up to play that sport. I don't normally do this, although last year I did play a little bit of baseball. I signed up, past tense, to play baseball. It was quite enjoyable. I hadn't played baseball for a very long time. The other phrase I wanted to teach you today is the phrase sign in. Now, this is similar to log in. If you're talking about a computer or something like your email, I have to sign in to check my email. When I turn my computer on, I need to sign in. I can also say log in. I need to log in to check my email. I need to log in once I turn my computer on. And it simply means to enter your username and your password. But we also use this for paper and pen things as well. My mom now lives in a retirement home. When I go to visit my mom, I need to sign in when I get there. They actually have a book at the entrance, and I need to write my name and the time that I arrive. And here's a bonus, I need to sign out as well when I leave. I need to kind of write down what time I leave. So, to review, when you sign up for something, it means you put your name on a piece of paper, or you give your name to someone who's organizing something. You sign up because you want to do that thing. And when you sign in, you can either sign into a computer or a piece of software or a website or your email, or you can sign in like I described at an old age home or another place like that where they need to see your name when you get there. But hey, let's look at a comment from a previous video. Hopefully I remember how to do this still. This is from Berevilson. Thank you so much, Teacher Bob. How I like that landscape. It's starting to look pretty nice here. Really amazing, or as you like to say, awesome. Thanks a lot. And my response, you're welcome. I'm replying to this 14 seconds after you typed it. I'm speedy today. So that was actually 2 weeks ago. I was speedy that day, but then I wasn't very speedy or responsive after that, was I? So I do want to thank Berevilson. Thank you so much for that comment. That is awesome. And you know, I always like to explain when I take a little bit of time off what I've been doing. Not that you guys need to know, but a few things. One, I had some stuff I had to take care of. Normal things like I had to finish filing my taxes, and then there was some additional paperwork afterwards that I had to take care of. We didn't get audited, but something similar to that. We had to provide some additional receipts. And then a couple things too. Somehow I agreed to teach an extra class at school just for the last few weeks of the school year. I can't give you all the details about why that happened, but there was a French class and I'm now the teacher. So instead of teaching part-time, I'm a little closer to full-time again, but just for a few weeks. And don't worry, it's pretty manageable. It's a grade 9 French class, something I've taught many times before in my life, so I'm not overwhelmed or anything. And there were a few other things that I'm not going to go into all the details, but it was really nice to just hit the pause button on YouTube for a couple of weeks so I could get a lot of stuff taken care of. So anyways, I'm back. It's fun doing these short English lessons. I'll see you in a few days with another one. Bye.